Today's video is going to be how to come out of a friend zone. So what is a friend zone? So basically ऐसा होता है कि एक इंसान दूसरे इंसान को प्यार करता है जबकि दूसरा इंसान उस इंसान को सिर्फ एक दोस्त की तरह लेता है. Okay, friendship is great and it's good to have friends. But in this case, if one person is in love with the other person, you cannot be friends. That's a basic thing. Now you have to decide whether you want to be just friends with that person for whole life or you want to show your true feelings to that person. In this case, showing feelings to the other person is difficult क्योंकि तुमने पहले ही establish कर लिया है कि हम दोनों friends हैं and you don't want to lose that friendship, है ना? But the problem is you love that person and that thing is hitting you hard. And you cannot stop thinking about that person because you love that person. Now, how to come out of that friend zone? There are two scenarios for it. First, that person is not into you. In this case, you cannot do anything because everyone has their own preferences. You might be the smartest guy, smartest girl, you can be the most beautiful person on the planet. But if you don't match the preferences of that person, it's not going to work out. And it's very difficult to change that person's mind. Second, you did something that made that person think you as a friend. And in this case, it's easy to change the mind of that person. I'm going to tell you 6 easy steps to come out of that friend zone. First, stop trying to be their best friend. यार तुमने बेस्ट फ्रेंड नहीं बनना उसका. यू वॉन्ट टू डेट दैट पर्सन. वाई यू वॉन्ट टू बी बेस्ट फ्रेंड? वो तुम्हें आके सब कुछ बताएगा या बताएगी, सारी बातें करेंगे. दे विल टेल यू अबाउट देयर पास्ट रिलेशनशिप्स एंड यू विल बी देयर कि हाँ तुम्हारे साथ गलत हुआ है, बहुत गलत हुआ तुम्हारे साथ. यू डू दैट बिकॉज यू थिंक एट द एंड ऑफ द डे दैट पर्सन विल फॉल इन लव विद यू. दैट डजंट हैपन. यू विल अल्टीमेटली फॉल इन लव विद दैट पर्सन मोर एंड मोर. सो स्टॉप डूइंग दैट. सेकेंड, मेक दैट पर्सन फील जेलस. अभी जेलसी क्यों बोल रहा हूं मैं? जेलसी इसीलिए क्योंकि when you feel jealous about something, you are ultimately liking that thing. That's why you feel jealous. You feel jealous about the things because you don't have that thing. So make that person feel jealous. Start looking good. Start working out. Start looking your best. Whatever best you can give. Start maintaining your social profile properly. Start doing every shit you wanted to do in life. Be adventurous. Do whatever you want to do. Rather than focusing on that person, focus on yourself. When you improve yourself, people get attracted towards you. Third, stop having group meetings. अब group meetings क्या हुआ? Basically group meetings तब होता है when you're friends. तो तुम्हारे भी friends है, उसके friends है. You come into a group and you go together. जहाँ पे भी तुम जाते हो, तुम time spend करते हो एक दूसरे के साथ. Let's say तुम same ही college में हो या same ही school में हो या same ही workspace में हो. It's not going to work out. You have to have a private conversation with that person. तुम अकेले उसके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहोगे, है ना? तो इसके लिए स्टॉप गोइंग इन द ग्रुप, स्टॉप शोइंग अप इन द ग्रुप्स, स्टॉप बीइंग देयर. उस ग्रुप से सबसे पहले तुम बाहर निकलो. यही तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा है. समटाइम्स इट्स ओके टू बी इन दैट ग्रुप बट यू शुड बी द लास्ट वन टू एंटर दैट ग्रुप. लास्ट वन मतलब क्योंकि अगर चलो तुमने एक फ्रेंड्स ने डिसाइड किया कि विल मीट और विल हैव अ कॉल टुगेदर, तुम लास्ट होने चाहिए उस ग्रुप में क्योंकि तुम्हारी एंट्री पे डिपेंड करता है कि तुम कितने अवेलेबल हो. लेट दैट पर्सन वेट फॉर यू एंड व्हेन यू एंटर डोंट लुक एट दैट पर्सन. सिंपल तरीका, उसको उस ग्रुप में इग्नोर करो. स्टार्ट इग्नोरिंग दैट पर्सन. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि टोटली इग्नोर कर दो, लेकिन अगर कुछ बात पूछे तो रिप्लाई टू दैट बट स्टॉप टॉकिंग टू दैट पर्सन इन द ग्रुप. दैट्स द बेसिक फंडा यू हैव टू मेंटेन एंड हैव अ प्राइवेट कन्वर्सेशन. गो ऑन अ कॉफी टुगेदर, गो आउट टुगेदर, गो टू सिनेमास टुगेदर रेदर देन ग्रुप में जाने से अच्छा है अकेले जाओ. फोर्थ, use desire language. You should use desire language instead of friendship language. अब friendship language क्या हुई? Someone is looking good. वो तुम्हारे पास आया. You'll say कि you look good. That's a friendship language. You don't use it. You have to use desire language. You can tell that person you look hot or you look sexy. That's how that person will know कि हाँ यार इस बंदी या बंदे को मेरे लिए feelings है. ये बंदा मेरे लिए इस तरह से सोचता है. That's what desire language means. You need to start flirting with that person. जब तक फ्लर्ट नहीं करोगे तो इंटीमेसी कहां से क्रिएट होगी और जब तक इंटीमेसी नहीं होगी तो लव कहां से होगा? So you need to flirt with that person. That's why you need to use desire language. Fifth, start respecting your time. See, everyone on this planet has a limited time and your time is important. Rather than wasting your time on that person, try to focus on yourself. Stop being too much available for that person. When you be too much available for the person, they start taking you for granted and you don't want that. जब तुम किसी के लिए ज्यादा available रहते हो वो तुम्हें seriously नहीं लेता है. That's a fact and you have to accept that. Stop being too much available. Just live your life and do whatever you want to do. Rather than focusing on that person, focus on your goals, focus on your career. Everyone likes the person who is goal oriented. Sixth, ask that person to do a favor for you. Now, it's a basic thing. When we do a favor for someone, we eventually fall in love with that person. Maybe not love, maybe we start liking that person more and more. It is a slow process. When we start doing favors for the people, we do it with heart. And if we are not expecting something, we start falling in love with that person. So rather than you only doing favors for that person, you should also ask that person to do favor for you. If you are giving something, you have to get back something. It should be a give and take. See, on the long term, I don't believe in give and take, but if you are expecting love from that person, it has to be give and take. अगर तुम किसी के लिए कुछ बिना मांगे कुछ करते हो, तो क्यों करते हो? क्योंकि you love that person. So start asking that person to do a favor for you. So if you have liked the video, give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And do click on the notification button for getting notified about my upcoming videos. Thank you. Cheers.